So far, this is the most comprehensive and detailed video on how to create and sell your online courses with the help of Systeme.io tool, free of cost, with no money, and you can actually earn a lot of money after selling those courses, right? So basically, this is the in-depth step-by-step tutorial, and after watching this video, you will be able to completely launch your online course. Like, I will cover each and everything in this video, like how to sign up to Systeme.io for free, how to create your course, how to upload your course, and how to publish that course, and how to sell that course so people can actually purchase that course. You will get the money, they will get the access, and they can actually watch your course step by step and give you feedback. So everything will be covered in this video in detail. So go there and grab your popcorn, because this video is going to be detailed and too much enjoyable and informative for you to make money online. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind, and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened the website Systeme.io. So if you want to open that page, all you have to do is go on the description of this video, click on that link, and you will land on this page. So basically, if you zoom in, you can see that the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, Systeme.io, and you can see that this is free forever and no credit card required. So as I promised that I will teach you how to launch your online course free of cost with the help of this tool. So you can see that this tool is 100% free, but there are some paid plans of this tool as well. But still, the free version of this tool is basically enough for you to create and launch your online course. So all you have to do is you have to land on this page from the link, and then put your email here, and then click on Get My Free Account. So as soon as you click on the Get My Free Account, you will land on this dashboard of your Systeme.io. So congratulations, the first step has been completed. Now you are a lifetime member of Systeme.io, which is in my opinion the most powerful tool on this planet to start and grow your online business. Because this tool can offer you many tools free of cost, like you can launch your blog, you can launch your website, you can launch your sales funnel, you can sell digital product, physical product, you can launch courses, you can launch ebooks, and not only that, you can actually create your own affiliate system so people can actually promote your product and you'll get the money and they will get the commission from that. So as in this video, I will show you how to create and launch your course. But if you're interested in learning about all of the features which Systeme.io provides you, then I will recommend you to watch my other videos in this playlist after watching this, because I promise that if you learn Systeme.io in detail, so that tool will actually help you in scaling your online business, and you can actually scale your business and you can actually double your online income with the help of this tool, because the feature this tool is providing you are amazing. And not only that, if you want to learn any specific thing about Systeme.io, you can just comment your question under this video and I will send you the link of that video which will cover your answer in that particular video. Because as all of my audience are online entrepreneurs, so I want all of you to learn this platform, join this platform, because it requires no money to join it and you can actually scale your online business, right? So now let's move back to our topic, which is how to create your online course. So basically, we need to break down this whole process into two parts. Number one, create the online course, and number two, create a funnel that you can actually use to sell that course, because that funnel will act as a landing page for your course. And when someone lands on that page from your link, which later on you will promote on social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, so when someone lands on that funnel, they will know about you, they will know about your course, so they can actually enroll in that course and they will get the instant access, right? So first of all, let's move on to the first step, which is create the course. So from that Systeme.io dashboard, on the top menu, you need to find out the course. You can see that there are multiple tabs like dashboard, contact, website, email. So from here, if you go on product, you can see the course here. So let's just click on that, and here you can see that this is the page where you can create your own course. So right now in this account, I am having no course here. So from the top right corner, I can see this add a new course button. So if I just click on that, so it will ask me for a form, like what will be my course name, what will be the link, and what template I want to choose for my course, right? So let's just fill out this form quickly. Like I can just name this course as test course, and the same name I can copy here to make a link, test dash course, right? And if I scroll further down, I can see these styles. So let's just pick up any style I want, this blue one, and click on save. So now within just one click, my course template has been created, and now it's time to upload the course videos in that course and make that course looks professional. So whenever someone gets access of that course, so everything will be in front of them, like from introduction to all of the parts and conclusion. So they can actually start watching that course one by one and learn which you're teaching them. right? So in the next step, if you want to upload video on the course, you can actually click on the name of that course, and then from here you can start adding the course, right? So as in this video, I'm just showing you how to create and launch your course. So the course I will upload in this module will be dummy, and I will get that idea from the ChatGPT, right? So let's just quickly open ChatGPT and type a prompt to ChatGPT to give us a course outline for any course, right? So I am launching a course on healthy lifestyle, so give me course outline for that with modules. And alright, so from here you can see that ChatGPT has generated the whole course outline for us along with the module. So you can see that this is module number 1, introduction to healthy lifestyle, module 2, nutrition and diet, and so on. And under that module, we can see some course videos like lesson 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, right? So right now in this video, I'll just show you how to create 2 modules, and later on when you learn that, you can actually add as many modules as you want which you think you can include in your course, right? So now go back to system.io and click on add a module. So from here, we need to give that module a name. So go to ChatGPT, copy that name, introduction to healthy lifestyle. Go there, paste and click on save. Right, so here you can see that one module has been added, and if I click on add module again, so here I can add the second module, which is nutrition and diet. So copy here, paste there and click on save. So now you can see that 2 modules have been added, and now under that module we have to add lectures. So under module number 1, if I click on add lecture, so here I can just copy and paste the name of first lecture, which is understanding health and wellness. Copy, paste. And from here I can just choose a template, which is I think this one is the best. Select template, and then if I click on save, that lecture will be added under that module. But before clicking on save, I want to show you something else. So if I scroll up, you can see that there is a delay feature here, which is 0. So basically, if you are launching a course like a 30 days course, and if you're adding 3 modules of 10 lectures, and if you want your buyer or your student just to watch only 1 lecture per day, so you can actually add 1 day delay in that lecture. So for example, if instead of 0, if I put 1 here and then click on save, so after watching the previous lecture, the student will not be able to watch the next lecture before 1 day. Right? And just like that, if you put that delay for 2 days, 3 days or 4 days, so the next lecture will be unlocked after that particular amount of days which you set here, right? So in that way, you will be having a complete control on the whole course, and you can just teach your student just like a teacher, right? So now let's just quickly add some more lecture here. Add a lecture, go there, copy the name, Control C, paste that name, and select template and click on save. So here in module number 1, we have added 2 lectures, and now let's add 2 example lecture in module number 2. Add lecture, go to ChatGPT, copy and paste the name, go there, paste, select template, save, and then add lecture again, go there, second lecture, copy, paste, select template and save. So right now here you can see that just for example, I have added 4 lectures and 2 modules for you. Now that will be the structure for your course, and then if you want to add the video lecture in your course along with text, you can add one by one. Like for example, in this module number 1 and lecture number 1, if I want to add the video lecture, so all I have to do is on the right side, I need to click here and click on edit. So here you can see that when I click on edit, so that lecture has been opened as per the template I choose. So here you can see that in this template there is a video course, and if I scroll down I can see there is some text explanation about that lecture and notes to reminder. So basically you can customize this whole page as per lecture. Like if I want to change that video, so I can just change that video to my course video. I can just simply upload that lecture video on YouTube on my channel and put that video as unlist, so that will not be public video. And then I can just copy that video link and go back here, and from here I can just click on setting and paste that link here. So when I paste link, so you can see that that video has been changed with one of my video from YouTube. And if I scroll down, so I can just completely customize and edit that text. Like I can edit that headline, I can edit that text, the description, and write whatever I want as per my lecture. And scroll down, you can see that I can just put some notes, and I can just add some columns, delete columns, add module and delete module. So I can simply customize this whole page, and after customizing I can just go up and click on save change. So just like that, I can do this for every lecture and every module, and I can design my course with the text, with the notes, and with the videos. So when my course will be completed, I can just simply click on exit, and from here you can see that my course has been added successfully. You can see that 2 modules, and if I click on drop down, I can see 4 lectures. So now let's just preview that course and see if everything is working perfectly or not. So from the top right corner you can see 3 options. Number 1 students, number 2 view and customize theme, and number 3 setting. So if I just click on view and customize theme, so now from these four options, when I click on view and customize theme, so you can see that I can just preview the whole course from here. You can see that on the left side I can see these modules, and if I click on any module I can see the course lecture under that module. You can see that Introduction to Healthy Lifestyle, Understanding Wealth and Wellness. And if you go on top, you can see that there are some buttons like previous and next lecture. This is the student name, the course logo, and 0% completed. So for example, if I watch this video and if I scroll down and click on next lecture, and I will move on to the next lecture, so when I complete the whole course, this bar will complete from 0% to 100%. So right now you can see that our whole course has been completed. So just like that, you can just add some module, keep adding lecture, and prepare your course. So now the first part of this video has been completed. Like you know at this point how to create the course, how to create course outline, how to record videos, and how to upload those videos and make a course structure. So now your course has been added to Systeme.io, and if I go back here and click on courses from this product, so you can see that the course name test course has been added into my account, and that is a complete course. So now in the next step, you need to design a funnel in which you can actually get a custom link of your course, so you can promote that link to your social media follower, like from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and anywhere else. So whenever from anywhere click on that link, they will land on that funnel, and from that funnel they can actually purchase that course by adding the card payment or any other payment method, and when they pay, they will get the instant access of that test course, right? So now in order to create a funnel, all you have to do is you have to go on the top menu again, and from the website you have to click on this sales funnel option. So just like we create the course, in that funnel page we need to create a funnel. So from the right corner we have to click on create, and then we have to give a name to that funnel like course funnel. And then from the right side I can select the domain here, and from the bottom I can select the currency here, which is US dollar. So now before clicking on save, we need to tell Systeme.io like what is the motive of that funnel. Either I want to build audience, sell anything, or sell webinar. So in this case we want to sell the course, so I can click on sell and click on save. So here you can see that as soon as I click on save, the funnel has been created, and if I want to edit that funnel as per my requirement, all I have to do is I have to click on the funnel name, course funnel, and here you can see that our funnel template has been created. So just like the course, within simple step, I have to modify that whole funnel template as per my requirement. I can change text, I can add video, I can add photos, and then after completing the template, I can just click save and finish, and then my funnel will be ready, and then I can actually promote that funnel from that link, and whenever someone click on that link, they will be able to purchase my whole course from that funnel. They will pay and get the access, right? So the structure for this funnel we need to design on the left side. You can see here there are basically two standard steps added here. Number one is order form, and number two is thank you page. So basically we need to add another step here, which is a sales funnel, because if we give them the order form directly, so they will not know about our course, and the chances for them to purchase that course will be less. So first of all, we will make them land on my sales page where they can actually see an introduction video and know something about the course, and when they will make up mind to purchase that course after going through that funnel, then they will go to order form, and then when they pay, they will move on to thank you page. So that's why sales funnel is too much important, and you need to design your funnel in that way, like it will be super engaging for your customer, and whenever someone goes through that funnel, so they will not resist themselves to purchase your course, right? So now in this video I'll only show you how to create a funnel, but if you want to learn the technique and science of creating an effective funnel that will hit the human psychology and let them purchase your course or product, so you can watch my other video in this playlist where I have explained you like how to design the structure of an effective sales funnel that can actually sell well, right? So now on the left side, if I scroll down, I can click on add step, and from that step I can just choose the type. So I need basically sales page, and then for that page I can just type course sales page, and when I click on save, so you can see here the course sales page has been added. I can just move the position here from bottom to top. So here you can see that my funnel is ready. The step number one is sales page, step number two order page, and step number three thank you page. So one by one, when I click on here, and click on here, I can actually add the template here, and I can edit those templates, right? So I just don't want to make this video too long, so I can just show you the simple step how to edit that template, and the other template you can just play around with it, and you can just edit as per your requirement, right? So for example, if I want to make my sales page effective, so I can just select any good template from here, just like that, and click on select. So from here I can just edit this page, and then you can see that this page is completely customizable. This seems to be a super attractive and proven sales funnel. So all you have to do is you have to change the content of this funnel as per your content, Like you can change the text, add some images, and change content from this to your course content. Because the design of that funnel is already looking very good because it's a proven sales funnel. So after adding all of that stuff, you can just change the text on the left side. You can just go on top right corner and click on save change. So when you click on that, you can just simply go on exit, and from here you can see that your sales funnel is ready. So now the only last part left is you need to connect that sales funnel with your course, so Systeme.io will know that whenever someone purchase or order from this funnel, so they will have to get the access of your course which you have just created, right? So to do so, all you have to do is from the top bar, you have to click on this automation rule, and from there you can just add a rule. So if I click on add rule and click on action, so here you can see that this is giving me the option to add multiple actions. So if I scroll down, I can see some action like subscribe to campaign, add tag, remove tag, send email, and enroll in course. So if I click on enroll in course, so here it will ask me which course I want them to enroll. So we have just created the course right now. So if I click on this drop down menu, so here I can see that course which is test course. So if I select that test course, click on full access, then after selecting the course and clicking on full access, we can just save this tool, and by doing so, that course will be connected to our funnel, and whenever we give the link of that funnel to any of the people, so when they land on that funnel, they can actually go through that funnel and then they can purchase the course from that order form, and when they make a payment, they will get the instant full access of that course which we have just added to our funnel. So right now, I hope at this point you are completely aware about everything regarding course selling in Systeme.io. Like you know how to create course, how to design course, how to add course, how to add lecture module, how to create funnel, and how to connect that funnel to your course. So if you do all of that stuff, and if you connect your payment method like Stripe or PayPal to Systeme.io account, so everything will be handled by this platform. Like all you have to do is you have to give that link of your funnel to your audience, and then everything will be done by Systeme.io. People will go to your funnel, they will make purchase, they will get course access, they will see the course, they will watch the course, and all of the money Systeme.io will collect from them and give to you. So all you have to do is you have to make this effort only once, and then your whole business will be automated and you will get the money by working less.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.